Oh my god, really hard to find out the trail. I'm very close to the top right now. Look at this, right? It's taking down. It's pretty hard to find out trail. Look at there. It's, oh my god. And that's the valley down there. You can see the beautiful landscape there. The hills are there, and this is the trail here. It's literally hard to find out. Alone, the lonely person. Before me there is something, the print here. I guess this is the Himalayan tar, which is mountain goat. You can see the trail, the print of that one. It went up. Yeah, you were nearly to the top right. Yeah, which is called